Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any lagging issues on your laptop or computer. So if your Windows computer is running slowly or lagging or freezing, then this video is going to show you exactly how to solve these issues. Now, the first thing we want to do is just open up the Start menu on your computer, go in Search for Settings and click on the Settings window. Now, the first place to start is to come down to Windows Update on the left-hand side here, and you need to go and press the Check for Updates button to ensure our Windows operating system is fully up to date. Now, if there are any updates found here, you'll need to go and download and install them. And this can be important for making sure your computer is running as efficiently as possible. So once you've done this, we're going to come over to System in the left-hand side, scroll all the way down and click on Storage. Make sure Storage Sense at the top here is turned on and enabled, and then we're going to click on the Storage Sense option. Then scroll down and click on Run Storage Sense Now. And as you can see, this is going to clean up all of your files, and it may take several minutes. You can then come back over to the previous window, come over to Cleanup Recommendations, and in this top window, you're going to see all of the places where you can save storage space on your computer. So what I'm going to do here is just go and check all of these options here like so, and then you can just press this clean up and however much space this is going to save. Once you've done that, we're going to head back over to the Start menu and this time search for Adjust the Appearance and click on Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Now what we're going to do here is click on Custom right at the bottom of this window, and you're going to uncheck Animate Controls and Elements inside Windows. Go and uncheck Fade or Slide Menus into View, uncheck Fade or Slide Tooltips, uncheck Fade Out Menu Items, turn off Slide Open Combo Boxes, and then go and press Apply and OK. Next thing we're going to do is head back over to the Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup, and click on the Disk Cleanup tool. Now click on Cleanup System Files, and then what you need to do is go and check all of the different items inside of this window, and we can press OK and click on Delete Files. Next thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu, search for Settings, and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on Apps, scroll down and click on Startup, and here you'll find all of the applications that automatically turn on when you first open your computer. So what you want to do is go through this list and try to disable as many applications as you can. Now you'll find that not all of these applications you need starting up when you turn on your PC. So as you can see, I have most of mine already turned off like this. And once you've done that, you can close out of this window. We're then going to head over to the Start menu, search for Run and click on the Run icon. Type in msconfig and press Enter. Click on Services. And now you need to make sure to check Hide All Microsoft Services. This is really important. And once you've done that, press Disable All. Then click on Apply and OK. Now what you can do is go and restart your computer, and that should now fix any lagging issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.